Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So the other day I was working on a project and I had to figure out how to pick up a color out of an image and transfer that color to the solid layer. And of course the first things came to my mind was using an expression. So I was like, let's share that with folks and see if there might have a better ideas to do that. Let's jump into that and let me show you how I deal with that. Here is the sample, or actually the solid layer I have, and I wanted to pick a color randomly out of this image. The function I'm gonna talk about it today is sampleImage. Okay, let's start it from the scratch. Add a new solid. I'm gonna add a fill color. Just drag it on that. Hit Alt and click on the color stopwatch to activate expression. Let's have more room here. We need to define a couple of variables for that. The first things we need to do is define a point on the layer that we're gonna pick up the color out of that. Let's just do a random X and Y. Let's do P as points. The first number is gonna be our X and the second one is gonna be our Y. So basically this is the points that we're gonna pick up the sample. Now that we have our points set up, let's write the function. So I'll call it call for color, pick up the layer that we're gonna use as a sample color dot sampleImage. The sampleImage is a function with 4 arguments. The first argument is the points. We already define it as a P. Second one is the radius, which is amount of pixels for X and Y. Let's say 3 for X, 3 for Y. And then the third argument is posteffect, which is a boolean, true or false. If the posteffect is true, the sample values are the layer after mask and effects on that layer. The fourth argument is time, which is a number. It could be time and it could be any number. We don't need posteffect and time for this example. We can just leave it blank or just put false for the third one and put time for the fourth one. Let's jump back to the expression and write it down. So we put P here for the points. The second argument was the radius. I put 3 for X, 3 for Y. The third one is the posteffect. For this case, I just put false. And then the fourth one is time. I just put time. So if I just return the value and click outside, here is the color we picked. If I just change the number, we may get a different result. See? So based on the points that we defined here, it picked the colors and feed it to the fill effects. That's it for today's tutorial. If you guys like it, please hit the thumbs up button. Leave me any comments and make sure to subscribe to my channels for the future videos. Thank you.